Hello, my friends. I'm going to pour over this Halloween pour. I think it came out nicely, dried well, but I'm not into Halloween. I thought about embellishing it with a cat or a witch or something, but I'm just not into Halloween enough to put that much effort into it, so I'm going to pour over it today. But I do want to show you a couple of embellishments I've done, people have asked to see. I mentioned when I poured this that I thought it would make a nice background for a pet portrait I had commissioned. So I painted this in acrylics and I'm pretty happy with the way little Simba turned out. I think he looks pretty cute there on that ring pour. I'll link the pour up above or maybe down below in the description box if you're interested. And then same client commissioned this one of Bandit. Now this was a pour that I had already, I got some paint on here. A pour I had already varnished and framed, had on my website, and it hadn't sold, and I thought, that would make a nice background. So I painted it right in here with the frame on it and everything, and I have yet to varnish it, but that is Bandit. And I will link this pour above in the above right now. This is Artist Loft Ready Mix paints, which I diluted or extended rather with some glue and Floetrol and added some silicone, and I love the look of the cells on that one. So those are those. So today I am using up some craft paints in an effort to take a step toward clearing up my studio here. So I've got some old paint. This is Delta Ceramcoat. I don't think they even make these paints anymore. Pale gold. It's a very pretty color. Extreme Sheen Antique Bronze. Deco Art Metallics in Berry. That's a really pretty color. Look at that. It's beautiful. Folk Art Metallic Antique Copper. That's this one. Lovely. It's almost got a purple cast to it, I think. And Art Minds Brushed Metallics. So all very inexpensive paints. And then I mixed up some white with, and all of these are all 1-to-1 with Floetrol. And this was 2-to-1 Blick acrylic, which is thicker. And I did add a dollop of Deco Art Satin Enamel. Hopefully get a little effect with that. We'll see. Then I felt they were all a little on the thin side, so I added just a dollop of glue to every one of them. Probably half a teaspoon to these. It's about 2 ounces of mix, and maybe a teaspoon in the white. So whatever. Who knows? I'm going to use this little plastic cup, dessert cup, and pour onto that. Let's see what happens. It's got a scalloped edge. Fiona uses these, and my friend Robin sent me a whole sleeve of them, and I tried the flower once or twice, and I did okay with it, but not enough that I wanted to continue with it, but I think it should be fun to just do a pour over it. So that's the plan. Fill this cup up and go for it. So start with a little bit of the white and then berry. This is the bronze, I think. Antique bronze. Pale gold. Antique copper. And classic gold. Just repeat that a few times. Maybe I'll go like this. I'll come over here now. I forgot what order I was using. Oh well. I think it was this. Doesn't matter, really. White. Finish it off. My chair is making very odd noises. I promise you, that's my chair, not me. Oh, that berry is pretty. Well, and what shall I do? I'll go with the gold. Okay, that's about as full as I can get that cup. Because I'm pouring on top of a dark thing here, I'm going to pour the rest of this white in here and give it a little cushion. And here we go. Oh, I forgot I was going to use this. Oh well. All right. This thing is very full. Shall I just pour it in the middle and let it go out? Yes, why not? To start with, anyway. I'm going to move over to just every other one. This feels quite thin to me, to be honest. Okay, well, you know what? I'm not feeling real confident about this. I'm going to lift this and pour the rest of this in the middle. Yeah, that doesn't do anything for me. Okay. Well, not what I envisioned, but it's too early to tell. It's looking like a giant Christmas ornament. That might be fun to do some rounds and then attach big ribbon at the top. Just hang them up at Christmas time. I like the bright white there. So I'm going to preserve that for sure. It's pretty pink for my taste, but just because I don't like pink doesn't mean that other people can't. In fact, I like the pink part better than the gold. I'm going to, look, I almost have a heart shape in there. Huh. And I have some nice big gold cell things popping up there. I don't hate it. I don't like this white there. My eye goes to it and I want this. Oh my gosh. That was a rookie mistake. A terrible, stupid thing to do. My dripping glove. Oh my word. Go around rather than over. Oh, is that dumb? But I'm going to run that off. Okay. I don't know. I think I'll hit it with a torch and see if some more things will come up. I think I'm satisfied with the composition. I don't know. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Move my gloves and torch. It's pretty much an all metallic, except for the white. Or so metallics tend to sell up, especially when using Floetrol. I don't know. I don't know, folks. What do you think? I hate to say it, but the pink part is I think looks the best. This gold is kind of almost a green gold. I don't love it. Well, there you have it.